Hello, welcome to Batching Systems. Come on in, let me show you around. As you come in, you'll see that we have all of the office and administration. Full engineering department. And this is where we manufacture all of the equipment, assemble it, and put together all the systems. So we have a full service department, and this is the area where we test out older equipment that's sent in to be repaired, or we test out equipment that we're refurbishing that's older, like our Batchmaster 2 counters and drivers. This would be electronics assembly and repair, in-house service, where we build scanner optics, our dual view scanner optics. We also refurbish Batchmaster 2 heads or other equipment. And we build panels, which we are a UL certified panel building shop. So here's our shipping and receiving department, and this is where we stock all of our spare parts and items. And in our stock room, we have spare controllers, drivers, and other various parts, bowls, feeders, drives, and electronics. So if you have a problem and you need a knife or you need spare parts, we can just ship you a knife the next day. We can get it right out to you, belts for baggers, parts for future equipment, and fully stocked shop. If you want more information on batching systems, please contact us at batchingsystems.com or 410-414-8111. Thank you.